Hello, Jason here, and in today's video I'm going to answer the question, what's the difference between a domestic and non-domestic septic tank? Does it matter? Well, let me show you. So we'll start with a domestic septic tank. So what do we mean by a domestic septic tank? Well, it's a septic tank that's connected to your house. A house where you live 24/7 with your family, or maybe you live on your own, but that's typically what a domestic septic tank is qualified as, okay? And a non-domestic septic tank is basically a septic tank that is anything outside of where you live. So for example, it may be a workshop. It may be a mobile home. It may be a glamping pod. It may be a shepherd's hut. It might be a caravan. Caravan. A stable block, etc. You get the idea, don't you? So a non-domestic septic tank fits these kind of situations. A domestic septic tank has to fit that situation. So with a domestic septic tank, the minimum capacity would be 3,000 litres. So that's the minimum capacity of a domestic septic tank. And so for that reason, there's only really two types of septic tanks. You get an onion-shaped septic tank, and you get a bullet-shaped septic tank. The onion-shaped septic tanks throw back from the 80s, and they still use them. They're popular because they're cheap, but they cost a lot of money to install because you've got to concrete them. For me personally, I love these bullet septic tanks because they're very shallow and they're very easy to install, and you don't need concrete with them. Now, you don't need any of those tanks with a non-domestic tank. One of the most popular septic tanks in the country is called, believe it or not, a cube septic tank. And it literally is in the shape of a cube, something like that. And price-wise, if you're looking for prices, so typically an onion-shaped septic tank will cost you about $899. A bullet-shaped septic tank, I think they start about $699. The cube septic tank is about $299. Now, with the domestic septic tank, it has to have, how much room have I got on here? It has to have something called an EN12566. Oh, that would help, wouldn't it, if I could. Right, 125, EN12566-1. Right. And so that means that it has to comply with British standards and stuff like that. For a non-domestic septic tank, you do not need any certifications. There's no legislation, right, regarding non-domestic septic tanks. The only criteria is, in either case, they don't pollute a watercourse or the countryside, you know, like that, you know, so you wouldn't run a pipe straight from any of these straight into a stream or a river or a watercourse. So there you go. That's the difference between a domestic and non-domestic septic tank. So if you like these videos, please go to Septic Tank TV. If you'd like to see some more free videos, or septictank.co.uk. And if you subscribe to my Septic Tank TV channel on YouTube, you'll be in with a chance to win a free cube septic tank. But listen, once again, as I said, thank you for watching, taking the time out of your life to watch me and these videos. You stay safe, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.